Hi, this is an entry for VIT Gravitas 2011 Social Transformers. We, Team Tech Logics, present to you Theia, a portable visual aid system for the visually challenged to read them whatever from wherever. Now we go on to see what drawbacks other systems face and how Theia overcomes them.
Here we see kids merely enjoying the childhood, seeing the world as it's meant to be. But what about the rest who are not lucky enough? Those who are lost out on the ocean of knowledge, the knowledge that can enlighten and empower them to meet the world full of opportunities. These current technologies, which are present in today's market, include printed braille, computer braille display, ebook read aloud, etc. But each one has its own shortcomings like cost, academic expertise, and expanse each could have, the reach it had in the society, and primarily limited portability. We, the team Ignologics, believe in equality and equal opportunity, have come up with Theia, a portable visual aid system handwritten manuscripts or printed materials be read by visually challenged people through Braille? Can today's camera capture the text and scripts and turn it into Braille format? Can the Braille keyboard actually be made portable enough to be carried around and used at will? Can the speakers be made to speak out the Braille language for those who cannot read Braille? Yes, all these questions are answered with a singular solution Theia that is portable, affordable.
Here we can see the experimental setup to demonstrate the prototype of Theia. The camera, as we see it, is used to scan the text. It's connected to the e-box via the USB port, and here we have the board which has connections which are already made for the demonstration purpose. Here is the 5-cell LED Braille emulator, and here are the other connections that are made to the e-box, which also includes the audio connections for the text-to-speech output. Here we see the Theia software running on the module. We are capturing the text using the camera, which captures the text, which could either be in the printed format or a handwritten manuscript. Regardless, the camera captures those images and feeds them as the input to the e-box for further processing of the image as signal. The e-box filters, enhances, and runs the optical character recognition on the scanned image for recognition of the individual text. Here we can see the scanning of the word hello with the camera. The e-box sends the processed signal as a Braille display output signal to the display panel. We can see the word spelled as HELLO
Hello.
in Braille format. Here we can see the LEDs emulating the actual Braille display. eBox also sends the text-to-speech signals to the audio output of the device so that the user can hear the text that is being converted as sounds. This is the envisioned Theia. The projected image is how it will look when all the components of Theia are integrated into a single unit, including the camera, braille panel, and the audio output device. The braille panel is still under development, and hence the LED emulators have been used